So this is how you design the bathroom for minimum maintenance and cleaning and maximum utility and spa feel. So you have a one-level curbless walk-in linear drain shower. You have a quartz panel on the wall, so there are no grout lines to clean, and you can pick nice accent tile on the wall. You have a quartz bench, which is again super easy to clean, which is heated same as the floor, and you have no door, no hardware, and no tracks and no rubber to break. And if the water runs out, it will dry because we are heating the floor all the way along the edge of the glass in. And you don't want any edges with the baseboards to clean and collect dust. So you install the baseboards flush with the drywall. So when you look from the wall there, there's no edge to clean, nothing to do. So nice clean tiled surface, curbless linear drain, all flush all the way in. That's how you make a bathroom you will enjoy spending time in by minimum time of cleaning.